what's up? So I have a whole bunch of different type of costumes, a lot for black girls, because I feel like a lot of the times we can't ever find a costume that like matches what we look like. So I have a lot for black girls, a lot for ethnic girls, couples costumes, and group costumes. Okay, so let's start with the solo costumes. First, you could do Meg the Stallion, you know, conquer your inner stallion, your inner sexy, you know. You can get like the little shorty shorts and like the broad top, just like have a little cowboy look, very cute. Next, you could be Rihanna from her Met Gala look this year, you know, like a lot of y'all was hating, but either way, still do it. Like long sleeve dress, big old puffer jacket, the beanie hat, jewelry, decked out, top, bottom, you feel me? Or you could be Missy Elliott. You could be Missy Elliott in her like late 90s, early 2000s vibe with like her velour tracksuits and stuff. Get your little Kango hat. You could do that in any color and then throw on some Nike like Air Force Ones. Listen, you could be Normani from her motivation video. That was sexy. Like you get the little cami crop top, you get that little white skirt, and then you could either spray paint, or you can paint it, or you can draw it, or you can use marker on that bad boy and just make it look real cute with your birth year, you know? Like, or you could just not do 1996 like she did. Like, I know that's what I'm gonna do because hello 1996. All right, yes. Next, you could do Olivia Rodrigo's album cover, and it was really cute how she put like the little stickers on her face, and she's got like the, honestly, it's super easy to me. Like you literally just buying stickers off of Amazon or in the 99-cent store or wherever, and then you get the layered necklace, pink top, jeans. You're done. You could do Janet Jackson's Rhythm Nation. I've done this one. I call it like a little newsy hat. You can get a newsy hat. You can get like the black cropped long sleeve top or a turtleneck. You can put the blazer on and boom. Okay, next you could be Frank Ocean with his Met Gala look this year, which to me was hilarious. You could get the little baby green doll. Literally it's $5 on Amazon, easy. And then jeans jacket, black jeans, white tee. Boom, you're finished. You could be Lil Kim. Lil Kim has mad different styles, but I think you should try the Crush on You look because those are like the most notable, and those are the ones that a lot of people tend to do. So don't do the green, that's overdone. You could try the blue, okay, but I think you should do the yellow. Get like the yellow wig, the yellow crop top, just some black biker shorts, gloves, glasses, finished. Next you could be Audrey Hepburn. I've done this. I thought it was really cute. You could just get a black dress, black gloves that'll go over the elbow. Come on, easy. So next you could do Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. You can get like the black bodysuit that covers your face. You could get a black turtleneck long sleeve dress, mini dress, and then you can wear some like thigh boots, and there you are. Then you can do the Bernie Sanders meme, which is really easy. You just get like a green like puffer coat, you wear your mask like you should be wearing anyway, and then you get your mittens. I suggest you do like brown mittens because that one matches him more because he was wearing brown. Then you could be Selena. She wore a lot of like bell-bottom looks, but this look I think is a lot more easier. You may already have this in your closet. Like you can wear black jeans, black belt, hoop earrings, the little newsy hat, and then like a little bralette, like a black bralette. Easy. Next you could be a Playboy bunny. So you could just get any type of cute bodysuit, some ears. If you want to go the extra mile, you could get the collar, you could get cuffs, but really simply enough, just get the ears and the bodysuit. Next you'd be Poetic Justice, Janet Jackson's character in the movie. There's a couple of different ways you could play this. I've seen celebrities have done it. A lot of different people have done it on social media before. It's really easy, and it has a whole bunch of different clothing that you probably already have in your closet. And if you're in a protective style right now, this is the way to go. Another easy costume that you probably already have in your closet is Beret Girl. So you can get a black beret, put a little black dot on your nose, black turtleneck, black leggings, black sneakers. Super easy. Next you could be Mia Wallace, Uma Thurman's character in Pulp Fiction. So you can get like a black lace bra or a black bra. You can get a button up, button down, long sleeve white tee, and make sure you get the bob haircut because that really pulls it all together, and then some black jeans. Easy. So next you could be Jessica Rabbit, and this one may require a little bit more work because you want to make your makeup look really cute. You want to try to get a red wig, you want the red corset sleeveless dress, and you want to get purple gloves above the elbow. Okay, so next up, even though there's not Victoria's Secret angels anymore, you could still be an angel, and you could get like really cute lingerie or whatever you feel comfortable. Maybe little shorts and a cami top. Just want to make sure you get the angel wings. It could be any color, lacy, silky, just really cute. Completely overdone, but still a good one is Wednesday Addams. So you could get a black dress with short sleeves, get a little collared white top, and put your hair into pigtails. Done. You could be number 5 from Codename Kids Next Door. That's a super easy one. You want a red cap, cute little hoop earrings, and then a blue oversized t-shirt. If you're really good at makeup, you could do Betty Boop, and you get a little corset top with a skirt or jeans or whatever, and you wear your heels. It's really sexy. That's a real good one. Honorable mentions to the easy ones like cat, angel, devil. But something I feel like people didn't think of is to be Medusa. There was something I seen online. It was be Medusa, but like with balloons, like the balloon animals. That's cool, but I know a lot of people don't want to walk around like that. So what if you had like dreadlocks, like, or faux locks, and they're small, and you use the hair wax paint and you make them a color like green or something, and then you kind of like tie in like the little fake rubber snakes in there. That's a really good one. Another solo one that's incredibly random is you can be sugar mama. So instead of being like the sexy sugar mama, you could be like the mom with like the baby strap in the front and put like a bag of sugar in the baby pouch and walk around like that for the whole night. That is funny. Or you could be a cheerleader. It's super easy to like recreate cheerleader, like with like a crop top and like get your own skirt and then just buy those like cheap little pom-poms in the store. Or if you want to get fancy, you can go like actually purchase like a cheerleader outfit with the pom-poms. You could do that as a group, you could do that as a solo person, so that's like really easy. Another incredibly random one is you could be like the Twister game. So you get like an oversized like white t-shirt, and then you can cut like circles out from like different color cardboard and like glue that on you, or you can draw the circles on you and color them in to be the Twister game. Like that would be really funny, like really stupid but really funny. Okay, so next I'm gonna tell you the group costumes, which I think are super good. Like I wish that I had a group so that I could do these. So the first one is to be Drake's Certified Lover Boy cover. All of you guys could dress up with like the different color t-shirts that's like on the cover, and then you could put like whatever, like pillows, or if you have pregnant friends or if you're a group of pregnant girls, oh my god, y'all could just put it all together and be that. That's funny. Next is you could be Destiny's Child. So if you be Destiny's Child, you just gotta have 3 girls, and like you could guys wear like basically wear the same color but wear it in different ways. So like somebody wear like the off the shoulder with the skirt, somebody wear like the long jeans with the long sleeves, somebody wear like long jeans and a crop top, or somebody wear like a bra and a skirt, like just different like ways to wear the same color. That's like a Destiny's Child like way to go. Okay, next you could be TLC, which I think is really cute. They have mad different ways that like you could be TLC, but the one that I'm thinking of right now is to play on it like a little bit sexy. So you can get like the silk pajamas, so like maybe like little silk shorts and like the silk like pajama top, and wear those, like one little button, have it open, and all 3 you guys in different colors of it. Like make sure you match the colors though of the TLC so that people like know what you mean. And then you can get like, then you can like set up your hair to like look like them. So maybe one person's got the blonde bob, somebody's got like the chilly look, somebody's got the left eye look, and then one of you put like the band-aid under your eye. Cute. Okay, so Gossip Girl's back. That's a real good one. This is easy because this also could double as like schoolgirl. Okay, so another really fun one that everybody loves. I mean, who doesn't love Mean Girls? You could do Mean Girls cast. You guys could each dress in that like cutesy look, and you can specifically follow like what they wear. It's really easy, and they all have pieces that like you can find anywhere. Okay, next good one is Bratz dolls. Literally just like Mean Girls, they all are wearing things that you can find in many different places or lookalikes everywhere. So Bratz, good one. Okay, so next you could do a decades or through the decades costume. You could do 60s, you could do 70s, you could do 80s, you could do 90s, you could do Y2K. Like there's so many good looks in that. So literally just look up the fashion for that time and just follow it. Like if I have my afro out, would totally do 70s. Okay, next you could do fairies. Fairies is easy. Like I don't know if anybody watches the Winx, but like if you look at them, they like all have different little dressy cutesy like little color sets. So just get like a 2-piece set with the same color, and then match that with some thigh boots, and make sure you get like the fairy wings. Easy, done. Okay, so next let's move into the couples costumes. You could do Meghan Markle and Prince Harry. This is so cute for like an interracial couple. I really love that. And it's like, it's regal, but like it's also like attainable. Next, you could do love and basketball. You could literally copy the exact same thing that they're doing on the cover with the basketball and with the like sports gear. You could do Hugh Hefner and a Playboy bunny. So if someone already wants to do the Playboy bunny and then you want to have like a couple costume, you could have your guy be Hugh Hefner. This one, I don't know if this one is like gonna be recognizable, but I love it. It's Queen and Slim. So the girl, she could just get like a animal printed dress, and the guy, simple, easy velour burgundy tracksuit. Boom. Or you could do like old school and you could go for Bonnie and Clyde, you know. You could do that like old school gangster look, you know. I like that. And that's it, y'all. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you made it this far, click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. What are you waiting for? And hit me with a thumbs up. Put a comment down below and let me know which of these is your favorite. Which are you gonna do, or what are you gonna do this year for Halloween? Let me know. Maybe I left some out. I know I probably did. Well, thank you again for watching, and bye.